Trendsetters, it's your girl Dime D, aka Deanna Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all how to measure for your custom wigs. So if you want to know how to measure for your custom wigs while you are ordering from my website or any other website, y'all just stay tuned for the rest of this video. Okay, Trendsetters, so what you'll need in order to measure for your custom wigs is a measuring tape, and you can pretty much get this from your local Walmart, Target, or whoever sells tape measure. It shouldn't cost that much, but I'm going to show you all how to measure the perimeter of your head. So whenever you're ordering from my website or any other website, most websites, they might have a one size fit all, but in all reality, we know that everybody's head size is different. So I'm going to show you all how to measure from the perimeter of your entire head. So when they say head size for 22, 23, 24, you'll know exactly what to purchase. So pretty much you're going to start by taking it on the inches side, and I'm going to start from this middle piece. So I put my hair up in a little bun because you want to get your accurate measurement. You don't want to have like anything bulky like braids like this. You might want to pull your braids up, or like if you have a ponytail, make sure you slick it back real low so that you can get your proper measurement. So I'm going to take this middle piece. Okay, I'm going to take this middle piece and I'm going to put it right here at the center of my head. So it should be right here. Let me check. I'm gonna look in this mirror real quick, y'all. So okay, yeah. So I think this is right here in the middle of my head. So now you're gonna take a rest and you're gonna make sure it's flat around the back. Make sure it's tight so you can know. And then you are going to put it right there in the middle. So I wanna make sure I got it right there in the middle where it's sitting on. Okay. And so yes, my head size is a 22. Yep, it's a 22. So that's how you'll know what the perimeter of your head is, just by wrapping it around, making sure you put that piece in the middle and you let it land right back on that piece you have in the middle. And that is what you'll know. Excuse me, y'all. That is how you'll know what your measurement is around the perimeter of your head. It's super simple, super easy. So if this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all later, Trendsetters. Love you. Mwah.